ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ hello everyone today we are unboxing this PEI sheet. This is 310 mm. This is this double-sided coated sheet. It's for these printers something, so it's a 310, so maybe it's working with us. Here is these specifications. Double-sided, high temperature, easy clean, green adhesion, easy to remove, frosted bottom, all this stuff is here. So here's the packaging, similar. We are unboxing. That side. So it comes with the 3M 300 LSE magnet. So it's both sided, some kind of a PEI frosted coating here. Let's see, we place it on the printer, then check it. Okay, this is the printer. So this is garbage, rubbish, whatever that this is. Don't waste your money on this PA sheet. This is like a piece of paper or something. Worst PEI sheet ever. I use this. Remove that sheet and let's apply this one. PEI sheet is placed, but I am assuming this logo is few like a outward and like it's on the inside the printing area, so maybe it caused some issue, because in that case it's not a fully 310 sheet. Let me show you. If you are looking closer here, so is a magnet. So I think so if we are measure it. Okay, think so. Start from here. It's near about you lose a 5 to 6 millimeters from there. Like if you are printing edge to edge, then it's cause a issue. Otherwise, no problem. Maybe no issue. I don't know. But yeah, when we are using it, then we are finding it. I already convert this printer from Merlin to Clipper. I install a BIQU Pi 1.2. So I recorded that separate video. It's already on the channel. You can check it there. So we are going to a main sale page now. I install a BIQU Pi 1.2 inside the printer with a TTL connection. So there is a neat and clean everything. Now preheating 120/50. Okay, after that homing. After homing, I'm going to do a Z tilt adjust. When it's complete, then we start next step. Z tilt is done. Now move to a next step. Now we are calibration the probe, and probe calibration there. Okay, we are checking it. Now we are using the filler gauge. This one point, it's 0.10 mm. Feel the friction, and when it's all the way down, feel the friction with it. When you done it, then accept it. You just need to be like a feel the friction. Okay, when it's done, then accept it. So here is your value. Then save the config. Your printer.config file, all the way end, your value is saved there. If you keep it there, that's your wish. Otherwise, you can change it to the this probe section. After that, I'm preheating again, and now I'm going to homing and go to a mesh height. So when it's homing done, homing is done. This is a bed mesh from a old that PEI sheet. Now we are calibrate the new one. Let's see what we got. Back when the done bed mesh is done. It takes some time. Bed mesh is done, so it looks quite good. Like it's better than before. So now we are saving the config file. So here's our now, and here's a old one. So yes, pretty much different between this PEI sheet. PEI sheets also matter with the bad mesh things. Look, old, new. Now we are going to a test print. Okay, now we are start a test print. I'm going to a 120 mm by 120 mm, 0.2 layer for a first layer test. Homing is done. Waiting for a temperature. Reaching to temperature is done. It's about start printing. Let's when it's complete, I'll show you the result. Print is complete. Let's check it. What result we get it. So here is the result. This is a new PEI sheet, so I think adhesive is good. I think this way you can watch the lining. There is some gaps here, here, and like some area is good, some is really bad. There is a gap. Here's okay, and from the back side is a frosted look. I think looks like it's some granules something. So this is the test result. This is a second try. I'm going to go to print. Started it. When it's complete, then I'll show you. Second test is done. Let's check what quality we get it there. We check it. The okay, adhesive is good. Still facing some issues from this side is lower, and things of maybe need to. Hmm. So like, but no cracks here. I slow down the speed. It's no cracks there, but like this corner is okay. But other is like not okay. From back it's good textured there. So it's pretty much good. So maybe need some more tuning, and it's good. Here is the both side by side. This is the first one, and this is the second one. This is maybe high speed, and this is maybe a pretty much low speed. We need to be figure out something more speed and more tuning stuff. Then like you get the good result. But it's still okay. Only this logo cutout. It's inside 5 mm. Okay, that's easy thing. So pretty much I this is a good PA sheet and thicker. So like it's 0.4, and plus maybe zero point 0.1 the coating or something like that. And this is a piece of paper. But don't spend or don't waste your money on this sheet. This is not a good sheet. Okay, so this thing is not give you a good result. Okay, so this is waste of money, but this is pretty much, look, sound, and this one. So this is a thicker. So this is a garbage, waste of this PEI sheet is not good. So this is the like unboxing reviews, test prints, all stuff there. And please like, share, and subscribe. It helps. So I like create a more content for you. Thank you for watching.